Good afternoon, YouTube. This is what I'm eating tonight. I'm eating a Stouffers chicken and rice with 2 rolls and a Powerade. And for dessert, a moon pie. This is all what I'm eating. So, yeah. And let me get a close up. Close up of the Stouffer meal. It's chicken and rice Stouffer, chicken and rice and Stouffer with a little bit of vegetables in it. And like I said, this is the lemonade and 2 rolls. Yes, yum, and a moon pie. So yeah. Hope y'all enjoyed. This is the dinner for tonight. Until then, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.